versus British English. A chemical element that is a light silver-colored metal used for making cooking equipment.
Aluminium.
Aluminum.
A man or boy with the same parents as another person.
Brother.
A small animal with fur, 4 legs, a tail, usually kept as a pet for catching mice.
Cat.
A common animal with 4 legs, especially kept by people to guard things.
Dog.
A flat, usually square piece of paper for containing a letter.
Envelope.
The part of a plant that is often brightly coloured and has a pleasant smell.
Flower.
A building where a car is kept.
Garage.
Pig's meat preserved with salt or smoke.
Hens.
All the animals, plants and rocks in the world, and all the processes that happen independently of people.
Nature.
A group of people who work together.
Organization.
A social event where a group of people talk and dance in order to celebrate a special occasion.
Party.
One of 4 equal parts of something.
Quarter.
The dry solid part of the Earth's surface.
Rock.
A piece of clothing made from soft material that covers your body. A round red fruit with lots of seeds, usually cooked or eaten in salads.
Tomato.
To know the meaning of something that someone says.
Understand.
Good, well done guys.